Hello, friends and followers. So here's some comments I have on the resurrection of the Central Electronics 100V. Here's the schematic for the 200V Central Electronics. This is the one that I tried to reproduce by ordering a 200V transformer from the guy that has lots of old stock. So I tried to produce this power supply, and what I found was the transformer pretty much was putting out 850 volts on these two red wires here, which is way too much. Really, if you get about 500 volts out of here, that would be ideal. And I want to get about, I guess about 650 volts on this wire here going out. So all I need to do really is I've built up these capacitors. These are all in the power supply. This choke is in the power supply. All this stuff's here. So, and this diode bridge I built out of 4 diodes that were rated at 3 kilovolts apiece, so I didn't need all this stuff here. So anyway, all I need to really do is connect up a new transformer, and the other parts of this transformer are, it takes in 115 volts AC from back in 1958. This winding here is for the bias supply. I think it's about 120 volts, and it has buku 6-volt amps, I don't know, like 12, 13 amps coming off on this line. So at any rate, here's what I plan to do. So on this schematic, this is a schematic for the Tempo 1 power supply and that transformer. What's cool is this transformer has a bunch of different windings I can use, so I'll stay on the 460 winding here. And there's a diode bridge right there that really corresponds to this one here in the 100V, 200V. And this capacitor network here, I already have built up, which is basically down here, basically. So all I need to do really is connect up 2 wires in the transformer, this one, on that, and I'm all set. Now this side of the transformer they have for 300 volts, which on the 100V power supply, 200V power supply, they take this 340 volts out of here. So it's actually, this is strange too, but it's actually, no, wait, that's wrong. They take it out of here. So they take it out of the center tap, which is strange to me, but they take that voltage out, and it simply has one capacitor. I think this capacitor here is the one that blew up on me. I'm not sure yet, but I think that one blew up and made the big boom noise. So I got to replace that, and that's the plan here of the conversion. This also has a bias winding right here, 100 volts. That'll work fine. So I can probably squeak about 120 volts out of this winding here, and that winding corresponds to this winding right here. So it's all going well. This winding here is like, I don't know, 10, 12 amps at 6.3. This transformer has 6.3 down here. I'm not sure how many amps I'll get out of it, but I can use this on one of the 6.3 rails and the other one on the other rail. That's how this thing was originally designed. The 100V has 2 rails, so that'll work out fine, and I'll break it out like that. This actually on the 100V goes to 2 different rails, and I have them jumped, so we'll see how that works. I'm thinking that this transformer may be lacking in the 6.3 current department, but, well, we'll see. Put it together and see what happens. At any rate, I'll be able to run the 100V now, I think, without a variac. Can just throw power into it. It also has a selectable, wow, it's got like 3 taps here for 100 volts, 110 volts, 117. So it's really quite versatile. And of course, I'll jam it on 117 and see how it goes. All right, that's the plan to date. I'm just waiting for this to come in from eBay and tear the power supply apart and move the transformer over here and take this one out. I still have this transformer inside the 100V. I did put it on eBay for sale in case anybody wants it. It does work, it just has too much voltage. So I did stick that on eBay as a listing, and people can take a peek at that. So that's where things stand. I appreciate your time, and have a great day.